Hey, what's up fellas, it's Mechanic Mode, another video for my YouTube channel. And today guys, I will show you how to fully restore your headlights on any kind of cars that you got at home. It can be new, old, doesn't matter. Anyway, so if you have any kind of old type of cars that you want to restore your headlamps. So from this, right, let me put the light and show you what is the damage of this lamp. This, right, as you see how bad it is, all this, I promise you guys, will come out. It's a fully and best headlamp restoration. I'm gonna go and get some of the sandpaper. So I have 5,000 P5000 and I have 25, I have 2000. So yeah, we'll not need much. You need just foil of it. What are we gonna use is we're gonna get the water with some soap, right? And we're gonna apply first water. We're gonna apply water on it, right? We're gonna make it completely soaked in water, so this way we don't damage it, because if you'll do it with the dry headlight, you might damage the headlight. So you get a piece of the sandpaper, you put in the water, like I said, get more water, making sure it's wet, and basically apply the sandpaper for about 10-15 minutes slowly. You don't want to use less than 2000, because 2000 is pretty good. You might use 2500, 3000, 4000, depends on if you guys are scared that you have a very sensible headlight. You might not use like I said, less than 2000. Make sure you using something like 2000 and up. And if you guys see, our results comes out right away. All this stuff comes out, right? Because the sandpaper works well. Don't get scared if it gets faded. Anyway, it gets cleaned. So what you want to do is you gotta apply the sandpaper all over the headlight. You don't want to miss any kind of spots. You want to go slowly. Also guys, not forget to tell you, if you know, it's my personal car and I feel comfortable to do that. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do it the right way, not scratching the bumper or the fender. But you guys, for your car protection, you want to put some paper tape around the headlight, so this way you don't scratch any fender or bumper. Any kind of like a blue or yellow paper tape, I'll definitely do that when I will buff it, right? But for right now, I'm just gonna use it like that, because I'm you know, like I said, I'm pretty okay with not scratching anything. But if you guys not sure in yourself, you definitely want to apply paper tape around your headlight, so you want to make sure you don't damage anything. So now what we're gonna do is, after we use the sandpaper and we clean it really well, we're gonna make sure the headlamp gets dry, and we're gonna wipe all the surface around the headlamp too to make it dry again as well. We gotta apply the paper tape. All right, like I said, make sure everything is clean. So it's summer outside, and I'll give it about 5-10 minutes to dry out, and then I will apply the paper tape around the headlamp. For the step 2, guys, we will need a buffing machine and a scratch out paste. I'll not give you any heads up because no one sponsored this video, but yeah, you can find any scratch out, or there's actually special paste for the headlamp that will actually work much better than even this one. But yeah, you definitely can buy it in any local part store. Unfortunately, I couldn't find any wider paper tape, so I just applied this one. It kind of worked well. Anyway, that should be enough. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna apply the paste on the headlamp. We're gonna get our buffing machine right there, and we're gonna basically buff the whole headlamp after we use the sandpaper. So that's our step 2, and then we're gonna have a step 3, guys. Gonna give you a heads up. What we're gonna do is, for the step 3, we're gonna use a kind of clear coat. It's a UV protection, so that's gonna guarantee our job to last more. So in this case, after we gonna buff it, we're gonna wash it again properly, and then we're gonna wipe it, and then we're gonna dry out really good, and then we're gonna spray with this. So don't take this off yet. So let's go and buff it. To finish the restoration, we gotta spray with the UV protection. and it's gonna be good to go. Before applying the clear coat, you gotta shake it really good for a couple of minutes, and then what you want to do is again spray with, get a air compressor and spray the headlamp. So you want to make sure you don't have any dust on it. I did it already, so I'm ready to go. So what you want to do is just spray the headlamp with the clear coat. Alright guys, after we sprayed the clear coat on it, you can see the headlamp, it's really shiny and clean. So what you want to do is you want to put it somewhere inside in your garage or overnight, so the headlamp will dry out, and then you definitely want to keep the car far away from the dust. So the clear coat, it's dry out, and as you see, this headlamp is like brand new, crystal clear. It's a beautiful quality process. Like I said, I think this is the best way to make your headlamps look like new again. So alright guys, you can use this. Make sure you do it slowly and safe and without damaging anything around, but I'm telling you, this is worth it. So it looks like brand new headlamp now. Alright guys, so if this video helped you out to fix your headlamp and make it new again, then don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and I see you next time. That was Mechanic Mode.